Do it that way. Oh my god. It actually does look pretty cool.
Yeah. So this is day 3.
Day 3.
We're in Durango, Colorado. And we're fixing to go to the Great Sand Dunes National Park. Is that how you say it?
I think so.
Great. Sand dunes in the middle of Colorado. It's pretty cool. Stay at the Comfort Inn again.
So we're about 2 hours away from the sand dunes, and we stopped to fly the drone around these pretty trees. So hopefully Mike can get it back there and get some good footage. We're at Treasure Falls.
Treasure Falls.
Oh gosh, that's a falls.
Oh, that's falls way up there, frozen.
My nose is cold. It's like 20 degrees. You can see the river still flowing, even though most of it is frozen over and snow. And there's Mike. Where? Way up there? Ooh, I would not want to be doing a truck in this road. How about you?
I would not.
Of course not. Here's a waterfall that's actually running still and partly frozen. Maybe we can take our picture here.
So we just got to the Great Sand Dunes National Park and Preserve.
You see them over there?
And the sand dunes are right at the mountain base right there. It's hard to see in the video, but
That's where we're headed.
all that dark, it kind of blends in with the rest of it, but it's a lot of sand.
Go check it out.
You want to take a shower?
No. There's snow on the ground.
Oh, no drones, people.
Oops. Do you hear a drone?
Yeah, right there.
Oh, yeah.
At least I ain't them people.
Hey.
I respect.
This was all water last time we came.
It was, wasn't it?
Yeah. It must be from the snow runoff. I can't handle it. Give me my hoodie. How do you do this? It's coming the side of my glasses into my eyeballs. Go that way or down. Mike said he's gonna roll down the hill. Okay, you're gonna go front roll, run and roll. That's not a roll. You're gonna be covered in sand if you roll. You're not going anywhere. Oh no! Oh my gosh, you're causing it all to go. Are you trying to walk up? There's ice in there?
Snow.
Underneath?
Yeah, there's snow.
Huh. Ew, it's dirty snow? Ew. Here we are in the sand dunes. It's tiring and steep.
Yeah.
You out of breath?
It's very steep.
Yeah, look at that area right there.
Oh, a rainbow.
Can I get back to the rainbow? It's very faint. Well, actually, you can see it better on this camera. Look, it goes all the way around. You see it?
Yeah, I can see it all there.
Yeah. Cool. Bye-bye, sand dunes. Till next time. they? Deer? Elk?
Oh, they're deer.
Found the deers. They're eating something from under the truck wheel. Do you want to take the GoPro or no? It's on.
Almost sunset at the sand dunes. Very pretty out here, and there's some deer over there. Small buck, barely a 4-pointer. No, it's a 3-pointer. You missing a point, buddy.
Where's your other point? The people said the people were feeding them when they drove up. And then they got out of the car and they just came over to the truck and started licking the salt off their truck.
Yeah, they started licking that
That's so
salt off that truck.
That's so funny.
Hey, buddy. What you doing?
Okay, so the truck left.
Shh. It's like right at the door.
They're all coming over here to eat now. Hey, baby. Oh, it did not like the smell of me. Oh!
Hey, Archie.